Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to animate a still photo using Google AI Studio. This is a fun way to bring portraits or old pictures to life with subtle movements and effects. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and from the dashboard, click Image Tools or Animate Image if you see that option. Now, upload the photo you want to bring to life. Once it loads, select the Animate feature. Here you can choose different types of animation, like making the eyes blink, adding a gentle head turn, or even giving the background some motion. If you want something specific, type a short prompt such as, animate the photo with natural breathing and blinking, or make the background flow with moving clouds. Click Generate and the AI will create an animated version of your picture. You can preview it right away, and if it's not quite what you wanted, try adjusting your prompt or choosing a different animation style. Once you're happy, click Download to save it as a video or GIF that you can share anywhere. And that's it! With Google AI Studio, you can turn ordinary photos into animated, lifelike moments in just a few steps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.